Hello, welcome back. This is James Sherrill from Our Rostering and Time Attendance. Also, in the last tutorial, we looked at how we created a rolling roster for the week and for the month. So what we're going to be looking at is once we've created this roster, we can decide to email this roster to staff, especially the staff that may not have the mobile app. Our lot mobile app for the staff is only available on Play Store. So, for example, staff who has iOS, because we don't have an iOS application right now, so we can, the manager can decide to send the rota to each individual staff. So how we do that is we click on this @ sign here and you see a message here showing email roster to staff. We can select all staff or individual staff. So if we know the staff that doesn't have that, we can just say the start date and end date, and we can send the rota for them. So we could say from the 8th of August to and we can say this is your rota. And once we send this information, it's showing we need to select an employee. So we'll select the employee we want to show here, and we'll just see the name here. And then we'll say send. Once we send, it will say email sent successfully, and the user will receive this email, their shift schedule. So they will just receive basically their shift schedule for the particular date that was selected on the rota. And that's how easy to send email to staff. Or we can decide to send to all staff, and we can just send to all staff. Same thing, and we can just say send to all staff. An email will be sent successfully to all staff, regardless of whether they have their email, whether they have the mobile app or not. So very easy, but it's always good for each staff to have their mobile app handy, because at the end of the day, you might want to be using the clock in and clock out and checking your shift schedule. And once the rota is being plotted on the web, the staff will automatically see these changes via their mobile app as well. So this is another way of sending the rota. It might be needed and it may not be needed sometimes, but it's always good to have that option on the application. So in the next tutorial, we're going to look at other aspects of our rostering and time and attendance, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.